Alright, so let's do a quick example of taking the derivative of a function using our definition of a derivative using limits. So let's say we were given a function f of x is equal to x squared. And we're asked, well, what is the derivative of f of x? And we're going to note the derivative. We're going to note this as f prime of x. And so this little dash button right here, this means that we are taking the derivative of f of x. And so from our previous video, we know that f prime, or the derivative of f, well, that's going to be equal to the slope of the tangent line m, which is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of the function f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So up here, we're told that f of x is equal to x squared. So this right here is equal to x squared. And f of x plus h, this is going to be equal to x plus h squared. To make this a little bit more clear, I'll say that this is equal to f of x for clarity, and this is equal to f of x plus h. And so we can rewrite this equation as the limit as h approaches 0 of x plus h squared minus x squared divided by h. So let's go ahead and factor out this term right here. And so we get the limit as h approaches 0 of x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus x squared divided by h. Now we're going to notice here that I have an x squared and a negative x squared, which cancel out. And so I'm left with the limit as h approaches 0 of 2xh plus h squared over h. I'm going to go ahead and factor out the h here. So I can write that this is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of h times 2x plus h over h. Noticing that the h on top and the h on the bottom cancel out. I'm going to scroll down here for a second. And so I can find that this is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of 2x plus h. Now, we can do a little bit of plug and chug and plug the 0 directly into our h here and say that this is equal to 2x plus 0, which of course is equal to 2x. And so what we're saying is that the derivative of f prime of x, which is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x over h, well, this is going to be equal to 2x. And that is our answer.